drive, boy, you should stay in your lane. Put on the gas, I do not care about trash, as long as I stick to the plan. What is the plan? I cannot lie for none of you, long as I know who I am. I'm in control, God got his hand on my soul, and if I land it, he got the remote. Made it this far, it's a miracle, miracle.
Could I get a little assistance from you? I mean, you put it up there and then you don't do shit all weekend and it's still there. I don't know what he does all day long, but it's not helping me out. I'm doing a Yelp review of your JH Diesel right now. It's not gonna be good.
I'm not on Yelp.
Oh, I'm gonna start a Yelp page for you.
Start me with a 0?
Yes.
If I could give you -4 stars, I would.
Come on, we gotta roll this forward. JH. That'll do it.
Now you grab that hose and let's roll it out.
Nice to know you know how to work your shop still.
See, we're going to grab my
You're locked. Ooh, okay.
They get stuck sometimes.
There you go, a little bit. Yeah, plenty of room, you're good. Listen to his voicemail.
You've reached Andrew Stevens with Stevens Land Services.
How redneck is
Listen,
it?
it gets more redneck.
Second, if you leave your name and number, I'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hey buddy, just calling, wondering if you want Polynesian sauce with these chicken nuggets I got you. So, just wondering what you want for lunch. That's about it. That's all. And wondering where the f you're at. That too would be nice. Love you. Drew is reliable like a clock. Right, twice a day.
Was that a clock or a Glock?
Clock. Glock is always right. Let's party.
You'll have it, you can like bring it down as you come out and then hook a chain to one of the tow hooks, pick it up and just move it on the rear bumper over. Yeah, it needs gas too.
Yeah, I borrowed your truck. It has no fuel. I really don't know if it cranks.
It started. We got it good. We got it. This is not a waste of time. Easy. Easy. Don't scratch it. I need the chain from the front.
Hey, I think if you would have just went down.
Stop it.
Hey, just pick it up from the roof. Yes.
No. Give me the chain.
Don't you want like a dome roof?
It's the best and safest way.
Yeah, I think so. We'll take it easy.
I hope you break your machine. He picked the whole thing up.
It didn't even do anything. No damage.
Dude, built, Dodge, tough. Hey, easy. This is the strongest truck I've ever driven in my life.
It's pretty insane, it's lasted.
I've jumped the out of this thing the other day too. Yeah, at Garrett's property over his septic tank. They make nice mounds over here. All right, let's go. Whew, this thing is. I was like, what's chirping for? Oh, we locked the rear end. That's right. She is barely road legal. Easy, those are new rims. It did not like the different size tires with the locked rear driving down the street. It was chirping the whole way. Whoa, this hospitality. Where were you all morning? There you go, that's it. Good? Other side good? Oh, we're good. Yeah, looking good, right? Factory. All right, guys, so we're finally here. We got it off I don't even know how we did that, but we didn't have any time. We didn't have time to do nitrous. We have time to do the fan up through the hood to get the, get some cooling done. Basically, it's locked in the rear. We cap the rear brakes. That's it. Oh, we changed the tires. So we have new, fresh set of tires. Hopefully it lasts that long. Strategy today, turn them on, light them up, and just keep smoking them until I burn the truck down. This might be the last time we see old Dodge Bastard. Oh, that's a good name, Dodge Bastard. Son of a motherless goat.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Don't break no ribs out there now. Ooh, what is that, snake skin?
fire, baby Jesus! All right, guys, so that ends up the weekend of fun. We had a great time yesterday. Today was the Burnout contest. We didn't, get the truck exactly where I wanted it, but man, I had a good time, just wall-to-wall. Wall-to-wall action, if you will. My nephew tried to shut me down early. Within a minute, I think. He was trying to get me out of there, and I acted like I didn't see him for a couple more minutes. And then, and I said one more. Other than that, we had a great time. We're gonna have a good time with these guys. They're all in town. It's nice when everybody comes around for these events and get to know new people and hang out with all the old friends and stuff like that. So right now, we're gonna wrap it up and go have a good time tonight with our friends. So 305, come alive. Let's do it. I just want to say, that's just another day chilling with Chet, and with all my great friends and the good people to have around.
The day's over with. It's done. Nobody cares.
That happened to me since 6th grade.
Good shit, what?
Where's Seuss at? I'm warming up. Let's party.
Oh, no, he did not, dude. He's won 23 grand so far.
Was that the mate? I wasn't even. Was that the mate?
I almost clean house. Brad had the best face out of all. He's just like, I hate it. I can't. You know what? He wins too much.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
He's right here. Cheyenne, Rick wants to know why you won't do that. Here, we'll wait.
Not retarded.
That's aggressive.
I am telling you right now. I swear.
I got you.
I'm gonna drive you straight off this bridge. And just so you guys know, I've never been invited to ever drive anything on the track. I've never been on the track, ever. I did ride a tandem bike one time. Maybe I can find a clip of that. Come on! Oh! I go to Garrett, I go, hey, I was gonna ask you permission for something. And I was like, well, never mind.
Oh, great. So he doesn't know we're doing this?
No. And he sees us right now. Look at it. I'll sign the waiver. I know I really wanted to come over here and do this because Garrett says we're friends, but he's never once invited me to drive in here at all. Even in the shitty Crown Vics. No, not even once. And I own a Crown Vic and race a Crown Vic.
I just show up and announce.
Right?
No invite. I just like, hey.
Right. I don't get invited. I invite myself everywhere.
I just come.
Damn, look at that form.
Like this, like today.
All right. Are we gonna start this thing kind of like Cool Runnings?
Ow! Ready, 1, 2, 3. We got this. We got this. Woo! Just speed it up and post.
World record.
73 seconds.
60, but I'll take that.
I'm gonna dub it the fastest nuts to butt lap here at the Freedom Factory, at least.
The world record, nuts to butts.
3/8 oval.
Factory, 1 lap record.
Exactly.
Should we go out there, put a little water on the burnout pad? I will lift the tire up.
Oh yeah, let's go.
You spin it.
I'll go do some tricks. You can't be on it.
Sick.
Look at the skid. Look at it. Look at it. This is good cement.
It's not bad.
Yeah, I thought it would leave a divot, but yeah, you get that? You zoomed in? Don't show me doing this. Yeah. Okay. Make sure you only get the tire so they think I'm really doing it. I'm glad he hasn't turned the sprinklers on.
Remotely. Not bad.
That's usually a little subtle hint. That's happened to me quite a bit.
We need to bring in these fun havers without the dash.
Oh shit! Forgot.
Let's just bring that to.
Oh, gee, fun haver since 1999. 1999 is when.
So is this
When I had this, and you can look up the LLC in Arizona. Uncle Chet's the owner.
is this starting a rivalry?
I don't know. It's just. Well, I originally was gonna go fun dash havers. That's so fucking gay. I just did the fun havers.
Yeah, one word.
It's just easier to remember and
Yeah,
seems cleaner.
no dash, yeah.
Yeah. And I thought if I did fun dash havers, it'd probably get copied. But anyways, hey guys, that's it for Chilling with Chet at the Freedom Factory. Thanks, Chris, for being the culprit and coming in here and getting
my
Garrett's
life
permission.
on the line with this burnout, high-speed burnout.
The fact is, how scared are you? He wouldn't even drive his car
Yeah, no.
out here.
I said absolutely not. Next thing I know is I in charge for manslaughter, involuntary manslaughter.
And when we heard him drive by, I really thought he was coming in here to like harass us and get us out of here. All right, well, let's go finish the video. I'm gonna go jump in his crown. Oh no, the Marauder. I'll just drive that back. You wanna drive this back?
Are you kidding me? You're really gonna drive one?
Of course I'm gonna drive the Marauder. Here,
Okay,
you know you
sure.
left the keys in it.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Cheyenne, go ahead. Let's just.
Hell no!
Check it, oh, this fire. One, head.